Payment failures on Azure Synapse can be frustrating, but they can often be resolved quickly with the right steps. Here is a straightforward guide to help you address these issues. Step 1. Check payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review subscription status. Check the status of your Azure subscription. If your subscription is disabled or expired, it may lead to payment failures. You can find this information in the Azure portal under the subscriptions section. Step 3. Update billing information. If your payment method is outdated, update your billing information. Go to the billing section in the Azure portal, select your payment method, and enter the new details. Step 4. Monitor usage and limits. Sometimes exceeding usage limits can trigger payment failures. Review your usage metrics in the Azure portal to ensure you are within your subscription limits. Step 5. Contact Azure support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, contact Azure support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your account and help resolve any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment failures on Azure Synapse efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to reach out for further support.